my yarn friends, welcome back to our Olive Park Advent Calendar unboxing. It is now day number 5. We're about to see what scrumptious yarn goodies we got for today. All right, and as always, Olive Park is our hand dyer from Manitoba. This feels extra squishy. Ooh, we got multiple goodies today. We got another bag of tea by Cup of Tea. This is the Creamy Earl Grey. And Cup of Tea is a local tea shop here in Regina, and it is C-U-P-P-A, so Cuppa Tea. Oh, this one might actually match my shirt today. Oh, I think this is my favorite so far today. We got another 50-gram mini skein of her sock yarn. And look at that, that goes perfect. And as always, I always like to share a holiday gift idea with you. So today we have a crochet item. So we have 2 crochet kits. We have the mini sweater kit, so you can make, I believe it's up to, yes, it makes 6 holiday sweaters. Comes with everything you need in the back there. And we also have a cute Christmas gnome kit. Both of these are available in store or online at yarnover.ca. Thank you so much for joining me, guys, for day number 5, and I'll see you tomorrow for day number 6. Bye!